we understand po na kasi po the economy is really suffering, Mr. Chairman, no? And I'm sure that is also the concern of many of our honorable members. Na talaga pong napakababa po ng public infrastructure spending ngayong 2026, which is reflective now of the underperforming growth rates that we have in terms of gross domestic product. And previous slide, please. Previous slide. Okay. So ito po ang ating update, no? There are a total of 17,764 projects for DPWH for the 2026 budget. This is roughly equivalent to a capital outlay of 460 billion pesos. A total of 15,032 have been already advertised. Ito po yung procurement, no? As a first step, in-advertise na po yan as of August 23, 2026, last Sunday po. We can give the latest numbers po as of today, no, for the committee. And this constitutes roughly about 76% or 349.5 billion out of these 460 billion. Ang na-award na po ay 7,467 projects, roughly about 32% of 460 billion or 146.1 billion. But we are confident po dahil nga marami na pong na-advertise at meron pa pong bagong mga ina-advertise as we speak. Every week po, every day in fact, nadadagdagan po ito. Opo, nadadagdagan po ito. We are confident that by end of September, mahigit 80% na po of these projects will have been awarded already by the end of September of 2026. So we are really doing our best, but by the end of the third quarter po, we are confident na at least 80% po na-award na at magsisimula na po para sa fourth quarter.